Did I just found an Insta360 camera in Temu? Alright guys, this is what we got today. A sport cam 4K Wi-Fi from Temu. Check this out, you will get a bunch of accessories like your magnetic strap, a clipper, a waterproof case, a bike mount, and also has 2 adhesive plates and a charging cable. Right out of the box, it feels very compact and lightweight, and that's mainly because it only weighs 1.3 ounces. The dimensions are height 2.54 inches, width 1.1 inch, and depth 0.787 inch. It has a very minimalistic interface with one power button, which is also used to record or connect to your phone Wi-Fi, so you can use the app. That's right, it comes with an app. It's nothing that fancy, but it gets the job done. I'll show you later. Here is footage outdoors. You'll notice that 120 wide angle gives you a nice field of view. Now the image looks grainy on a low light environment. Battery life, we have 150 minutes on 1080p, we have 120 minutes on 2K, and 90 minutes on 4K. It also supports recording while charging. Alright, so pros are, it has a 120 wide angle lens, it comes with a bunch of accessories, it is lightweight, compact, and best of all, it is less than $100. And cons, we have no screen, no stabilizer, and no water. To use the app, just a quick double press of the power button will make the light flash, letting you know its broadcasting is Wi-Fi. Then head over to your device Wi-Fi settings, look for the network name. For this one, the default name is H88. You can totally change both the Wi-Fi name and password in settings later on. Once you're connected to the camera's Wi-Fi, open the app, you will be in the dashboard, tap and connect, and bam, you will get a live view from the device and access to all its features. In the dashboard of the camera, let you instantly pause the live stream, snap photos, plus the app got some sweet extra like GPS for tracking your location and speed meter. Now on settings, this is where the magic happens. You will find customizable settings to make your experience even better. You can turn on the sound recording, tweak photos and video resolution to your liking, set up loop recording for continuous operation, motion control, a time watermark for accurate timestamp, and collision sensing for extra peace of mind. The app supports multi-languages, and like I said before, feel free to change the Wi-Fi network name and password for better security. If you need to do some maintenance or troubleshooting, you can check the firmware version, the format SD card, or even factory reset if needed. If you go back to the dashboard of the app, you will have the option for VIP membership. Honestly, I'm not sure how useful this is, since as you can see, to me this all looks like a gimmick. But if anyone tries it, please let me know. Leave your comments down below. I will be interested to find out how useful this is. If anyone is interested, here's the prices. Finally, so a few things that I forgot to mention was it does not come with a hat clip, and the camera does have a magnetic plate that you can stick to any metal surface, and it does come with a 64GB SD card. Now, will I recommend this camera to replace the Insta360? Absolutely not. This is definitely a knockoff, very cheap camera from Temu. This is supposed to be 4K sport action camera for outdoors. And because it does not have an stabilizer, it beats the whole purpose. I mean, you can see from the footage, even when I was walking, it was very noticeable. It needs an stabilizer. Under $100, it is something that you can probably give it to a kid so they can just play around to get used to it and see if they can take care of the camera. Honestly, for any actual footage that you might do outdoors, it's definitely not worth it. And on top of that, you have a subscription on the app to use some of the features that it has, which as you already seen, they look very gimmicky, and I don't even think they're worth the money. And on top of that, it's a subscription that should be already included. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Tell me, what do you think about this? Would you consider buying this?